There's Jonas with his shirt hanging out of the back of his jersey. Looking a little worn out, but luckily he doesn't have much practice left. But he did it. He did it without walking off the field. So he's 2 people right of center, whatever that position is. Tackling 2 guys, or 2 guys are tackling him. Pushing him. Both tired, so they're not really pushing anywhere.